The iOS 26 public beta is out, and the hottest topic online is definitely the new liquid glass design. But beyond the fresh look, there are quite a few practical updates this time. Today, I'll share some of the most useful features and how to use them. First, the lock screen has changed. The biggest update is the dynamic effect inspired by iOS 7 layers like the person and background shift to create a parallax effect. You can press and hold to turn it off, or tap Customize and toggle it on or off with a small icon. This effect works on all wallpapers. When you swipe up, you'll see the large glass effect, where light refracts to create a lens-like look. The time display can also be resized as you like. Second, the camera and album have been simplified. The camera interface is cleaner, with less used modes hidden. Photo and video modes are front and center, and you can swipe to access others. The album now only has 2 tabs, Photos and Collections. If your screenshots disappear, you can restore them by adjusting the display settings. Third, battery and charging have improved. When charging, the main screen shows the estimated time to reach 80%. And in the battery settings, you can see how long it will take to fully charge to 100%, so you no longer have to guess if your battery will be enough before heading out. Additionally, the new adaptive power mode automatically adjusts brightness and background activity based on usage to extend battery life. Fourth, there's call screening plus call waiting. Simply put, when you get a call from an unknown number, Siri answers first, asks who's calling and why, then shows you the info on screen so you can decide whether to pick up. Sales calls might be labeled as such, not 100% accurate yet, but it helps reduce scams. The call waiting feature is handy too. When you call customer service and have to wait, Siri holds the line and notifies you once a real person picks up, so you can get on with other things. To enable it, just open Settings, scroll down to Apps, then Phone. Turn on Detect Call Waiting and Screen Incoming Calls, and choose Ask Reason for Calling. That's all for the practical updates I find most useful in iOS 26 public beta. If you have questions or discover more new features, feel free to leave a comment. See you in the next video.